This is a Villiers carburetor which has been taken off a very old Seagull outboard motor, and I've accepted the challenge to see if I can repair the thread at the top. It's this particular aluminium ring. It's a very difficult, well, it's not easy to repair a thread of this type. I'm just removing the bowl now and the float, and you can see here this picture. This is the actual, more or less, the engine. You can see the carburetor there fixed. This part, I'm told, it's been more or less kept in place with some thread Teflon tape, but apparently it doesn't work. Just take the slide out now, the slide with the needle valve. So yeah, as I suspected, this is the part, this is the thread that's been worn away totally. Why that is the case, I don't really know. But it is the case. It's going to need a new cable in here, so I'm going to do that at the same time. Yeah. Just a bit gummed up that bit. You can see that it just pulls on and off. It doesn't even thread at all. So, well, I've got to clean the thing up a little bit with a wire brush now. My plan is to use what they call a kind of a plastic metal. It's an epoxy type of plastic metal. I mean, I don't believe that you can make metal out of epoxy, but anyway. I'm just adding it to the thread area. So my plan is to try to remake another thread, pushing this back on. Now I've got to leave it 24 hours for that to set. I used some wax in places where I didn't want it to stick to. There you go, now it's moved. Whether it all comes apart when I take it off, I don't know. It appears to be screwing out. If it works, this is a miracle thread restoration. So basically I've built up the size of this thread, so it's now engaging into that, into the male part. Well, it seems to work. Screws on and off. I'm just going to assemble it back up and give it back to my friend, I think. Oh, that's a miracle. Many thanks for joining today, by the way, and please like and subscribe, and any comments are always welcome. No, we've done, that seems to work. You can see a plate there. That's actually the choke. It slides in and out of the air intake. Just going to put a new gasket on the bowl, put the float back in, and screw the bowl in, and it's basically done. it lifts the slider up and the needle goes in and out. So this should work. There it is, finished. I hope my friend's happy with it. And many thanks for joining, and I hope you enjoyed the video.